Ever wondered how cryptocurrency works? What is this digital money that seems to be on everyone's lips these days? Well, let's unravel the mystery. Cryptocurrency, as the name suggests, is a form of digital or virtual currency. But unlike your typical digital money, it's not controlled by any central authority like a bank or government. Instead, it operates in a decentralized system. Now you might be wondering, how does it maintain its security and integrity without any overseeing authority? Well, this is where cryptography comes into play. Cryptography is essentially a method of protecting information by transforming it into an unreadable format. Only those who possess a special key can decode and access this information. This entire operation is powered by a technology known as blockchain. Think of blockchain as a public ledger, open to everyone, yet incredibly secure. It records every single transaction made with a particular cryptocurrency. To understand cryptocurrency, it's crucial to first understand what a blockchain is. So let's dive right into it. So, you might be asking, what exactly is a blockchain? Well, let's break it down. Imagine a ledger that records every transaction ever made. This ledger isn't kept in one place, but is duplicated and shared across a vast network of computers. Each time a new transaction is made, it's recorded on every single copy of this ledger. This, in essence, is what we call a blockchain. Now, you might wonder why we would go through the trouble of doing all this. The brilliance of blockchain lies in its security and transparency. Since the entire network validates every transaction, it becomes nearly impossible to tamper with it. If someone tries to alter a record, they would need to change the information on every single copy of the ledger across the entire network. This makes blockchain incredibly resistant to hacking, fraud, and any form of deception. So, let's say you're exchanging cryptocurrencies with someone. The transaction information is stored in a block. Once this block is filled with transactions, it's added to the chain of previous blocks, hence the term blockchain. Each block is connected to the ones before and after it, making it difficult to alter a single record. If you try to change a single transaction, you disrupt the entire chain. An important aspect of blockchain is its transparency. Everyone in the network can see the transactions recorded in the blockchain. However, the identities of the people involved in the transactions are kept private. Think of it as a massive public ledger that everyone can see, but no one knows who exactly is making the transactions. This method of recording information has revolutionized the way we think about financial transactions and data security. Blockchain technology is not only the backbone of cryptocurrency transactions, but is also finding its way into other areas, such as supply chain management, healthcare records, and even voting systems. Now that we've got a grip on blockchain, let's move on to how new cryptocurrencies are created, a process known as mining. Cryptocurrency mining? It sounds like a gold rush, right? But what does it mean? Well, in the world of cryptocurrency, mining is not about pickaxes and dirt. It's about using computer power to solve complex mathematical problems. You see, every cryptocurrency transaction that happens is recorded on a digital ledger known as the blockchain. But for these transactions to be added to the blockchain, they need to be processed. And that's where mining comes in. Now, you might be wondering, why the term mining? Well, just like miners dig up gold from the earth, cryptocurrency miners dig up new units of cryptocurrency from the digital realm. But instead of using physical tools, they use the power of their computers. Here's how it works. When a bunch of transactions are made, they are grouped together in a block. This block needs to be added to the blockchain. But before it can be added, a complex mathematical problem related to the block needs to be solved. The first miner to solve this problem gets to add the block to the blockchain, and as a reward, they receive a certain amount of cryptocurrency. This process ensures the integrity and security of the blockchain, because to tamper with the blockchain, a hacker would need to solve these complex problems faster than all the other miners combined, and that's virtually impossible. But mining isn't for everyone. It requires a lot of computing power and energy. In fact, the energy used for Bitcoin mining globally is more than that of some countries. And with more and more people getting into mining, the mathematical problems are getting harder and harder to solve. This means that mining is becoming less profitable for the average person. But don't worry, it's not the end of the road if you can't mine. There are other ways to get your hands on some cryptocurrency. Mining is a complex process, but it's not the only way to get your hands on some cryptocurrency. Let's explore alternatives. Not a fan of math or don't have a supercomputer at hand? Don't worry, there are other ways to acquire cryptocurrency. So you've heard about the world of cryptocurrency and you're intrigued. But the thought of mining, with all its complex calculations and high-end hardware requirements, might be a bit daunting. Fear not, my friends, because mining isn't the only way to get your hands on some digital gold. One of the simplest ways to acquire cryptocurrency is through exchanges. You can think of an exchange as a marketplace for cryptocurrencies. Just like you would go to a foreign exchange bureau to swap your dollars for euros, you can go to a cryptocurrency exchange to swap your traditional money for crypto. There are many exchanges out there, each with its own set of features, fees, and security measures. It's crucial to do your research and choose one that suits your needs. Exchanges work by matching buyers and sellers. When you want to buy a particular cryptocurrency, the exchange scans its database to find a seller who's selling at the price you're willing to pay. Once it finds a match, it facilitates the transaction, transferring the cryptocurrency from the seller's account to yours. Another way to acquire cryptocurrency is by accepting it as a form of payment. This is becoming increasingly popular among businesses, both big and small. They recognize the benefits of accepting crypto, such as faster transactions and lower fees compared to traditional payment methods. So next time you're selling something, whether it's a product, a service, or even your old bicycle, consider accepting cryptocurrency. Not only will you be joining the crypto revolution, but you might also attract a new customer base. Cryptocurrency might seem complicated, but once you understand the basics, it's quite fascinating. Let's summarize what we've learned. So, we've covered quite a lot today. Let's sum it all up. In the vast universe of digital finance, cryptocurrency is a kind of virtual or digital money that uses cryptography for security. It's like having a bank in your pocket where transactions occur directly between users, without an intermediary. The beauty of cryptocurrency is that it's decentralized, meaning it's not controlled by any government or financial institution. Then we have blockchain, the backbone of cryptocurrency. Picture it as a digital ledger, where all transactions across a peer-to-peer network are recorded. It's like a chain of blocks, where each block contains a list of transactions. This chain is open, transparent, and can't be tampered with. The combination of these features makes blockchain a revolutionary technology, not just in finance, but in various other fields as well. We also dove into the world of cryptocurrency mining. It's a process where powerful computers perform complex calculations to validate transactions and add them to the blockchain. Miners are the diligent workers in the digital mine, competing to solve these mathematical problems. The first one to crack it adds the next block to the chain and gets rewarded with cryptocurrency. It's a bit like a digital gold rush. But mining isn't the only way to get your hands on cryptocurrency. There are alternative methods too. You can buy cryptocurrency directly from exchanges using real money, or you can earn it by providing goods or services. Some people even make a living by trading cryptocurrencies, buying low and selling high. Cryptocurrency and blockchain have created a new digital economy, transforming the way we think about money and transactions. It's a brave new world full of opportunities and challenges. And while it may seem complex and daunting, remember, every expert was once a beginner. And there you have it, a simple explanation of cryptocurrency and blockchain. Remember, it's a complex world, but with a bit of knowledge, you can navigate it with ease.